Okay guys, so I'm out here by my bay leaf tree in order to pick a bay leaf for my tea. And here I have the bay leaf that I just picked. So let's head back inside in order to make our butterfly pea flower tea. Okay guys, so we're going to be making a butterfly pea flower tea with some spices and some lime, okay? So the first thing I did was rinse out my butterfly pea flowers. As you can see here, I have about 7 butterfly pea flowers here. So I'm going to add it to my infuser. Okay, and now I have the spices that I'm going to use is bay leaf. So I'm going to bruise the bay leaf. That will help to release the oils. I'm going to be using cinnamon stick. Okay, let's put that in there. All right, so let's add our hot water now. Our spices and our flowers. All right, so we're going to leave this to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now that our tea is finished steeping, we want to pour it into our teacup. And we're also going to add some lime to this one as well. And you're going to see how the color is going to change. All right, and I'm also going to add honey to this as well. Again, if you didn't see my video on the benefits of butterfly pea flower, be sure to check out that video. I'll probably leave it in the description as well, or I will pin my 2 other butterfly pea flower tea videos. I'll pin it in the comments section so you can see them. But there you have it. Here we have a butterfly pea flower tea with spices and lime. So once again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.